The Latin word volvo, meaning to roll, has contributed to the etymology of several English words. Here are a few examples. Volvo, brand name. The car manufacturer Volvo took its name from the Latin word volvo, reflecting the company's emphasis on safety and the idea of rolling or moving forward. Revolve, derived from the Latin revolvere, where re means again, and volvere means to roll. It means to move in a circular or orbiting path. Evolve, formed by adding the prefix e, meaning out of or from to evolvo, implying the gradual development or rolling out of something over time. Convolution, combining con meaning together with a Volvo, it refers to a complex and intricate rolling or twisting arrangement, often used in a metaphorical sense. Involve, formed by adding the prefix in meaning into to evolvo, suggesting the idea of rolling into or being intertwined with a situation or activity. Devolve, formed with the prefix de meaning down, and evolvo, it signifies the process of rolling down or transferring authority or responsibility to a lower level. Circumvolution, merging of circum, meaning around, with a volvo, it denotes a rolling or turning around in a circular manner. Voluble, derived from Latin volubilis, meaning easily rolling or turning. In English, it refers to speaking fluently or readily. Vault, originating from Latin evolvere, it originally meant to roll or turn, later evolving to refer to an arched structure that resembles a rolled surface. Revolution, formed by combining re again with a volvo, it refers to the act of rolling back to a starting point and is commonly used to describe a political or social uprising. Involuntary, formed by adding the prefix in, not to a volvo, it describes actions or movements that occur without conscious control, as if rolling in without deliberate intent. Revolver, a firearm named for its rotating cylinder, which holds and aligns bullets for firing, drawing from the idea of circular movement or rolling. These words showcase the diverse ways in which the concept of rolling from the Latin root volvo has been incorporated into English vocabulary. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.